Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating manifest. JSON and the minimum files. This lets Chrome recognize your extension. Specify manifest version 3, a short name, a version, and only required permissions to reduce review friction. Once done, add a background service worker file and a simple pop-up HTML with linked CSS and icons at 128 times 128, 48 times 48, and 16 times 16. Make sure to keep your files in one folder, so Chrome will load the unpacked extension reliably. You now implement the core behavior and UI. Connect the pop-up to the service worker using Chrome. Runtime. Send message and on-message handlers so actions persist beyond the pop-up lifecycle. Use Chrome, storage, local for settings and small caches, and design an initialization path that migrates older data shapes. Also follow the content security policy, avoid inline scripts and eval, load scripts as modules or through the service worker. These choices make your extensions stable, secure, and review-ready. You finish by thoroughly testing and packaging. Load the extension in Chrome, / extensions with developer mode and exercise all flows. Use the background / service worker console to catch errors. When ready, pack and upload to the Chrome Web Store, include required icons, a privacy declaration, and clear descriptions. If your extension is rejected or fails to load, first check for excessive permissions and CSB violations, then inspect runtime console logs for stack traces. Fixing those typically resolves the majority of issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.